everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful one-pot dish and we're going to make this delicious mushroom pulao. Now this is packed with sautéed mushrooms, onions and whole spices. So let's get started and check it out. I have all the ingredients ready for the recipe. First heat a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil along with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add in the whole spices, 1 piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 4 cardamom, 1 star anise and a bay leaf. Roast them for a few seconds until they turn aromatic. Now add 2 thinly sliced onions and saute them for about a minute. Next add 4 slit green chilies. You can adjust the spice level according to your taste. Time to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute everything together until the onions turn soft and translucent. You don't have to wait for them to turn brown. Now here comes the star ingredient, mushrooms. I've taken about 500 grams of fresh mushrooms for this recipe. Make sure you wash them thoroughly, nice and clean, and cut them into half. There's no need to chop them into small pieces as they will shrink while you cook. Saute for about 5 minutes. Notice how they start releasing water as they cook. Now add a teaspoon of salt and mix well. Next, let's add the rice. I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice, washed it well and soaked it for about 30 minutes. Drain the water and gently mix it with the mushrooms and onions. To enhance the flavor, add some fresh mint leaves and a handful of coriander leaves. If you don't have mint leaves, feel free to skip it. For 1 cup of soaked basmati rice, add 1 cup of water. Remember, the mushrooms also release water, so this is just the right amount. Now close the pressure cooker, place the weight and cook for just 1 whistle on medium flame. Once done, switch off the stove and let the pressure release naturally. And now is the best part. Let's open the cooker and check on the rice. Wow, just look at that beautifully cooked pulao. The rice is perfectly fluffy. The mushrooms are tender and all the flavors have beautifully blended together. There you go, here is your delicious mushroom pulao that is ready to be served. You can pack this for lunch or enjoy it nice and fresh with any gravy of your choice. Well, it's time to taste this yummy mushroom pulao. Oh my God. The flavors are just incredible. I'm in a happy place right now. Well, I really enjoyed that because it's loaded with flavors of mushroom and it's so juicy and nice. And today I've served it with some nice chicken curry by the side, but you can enjoy it with any curry or you can enjoy it as is, like the way I did right now. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.